大家好，我是 Audrey. I'm Audrey. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for supporting my previous video about the Chinese basic strokes writing. I'm just so happy that this video has helped a lot of you to really start writing Hanzi, and Hanzi is no more scary to you. And thank you so much for the nearly 500 comments under the video. I'm really touched to see the positive feedbacks. I see that a lot of you are asking me what kind of pens I'm using. Actually, for writing Hanzi, there's no specific type of pen unless you're referring to the Maobi, the brush pen. But that is more for calligraphy. But for everyday writing, I use all kinds of pens. Just choose whatever you feel comfortable. And for the specific type of pens I used in my previous video, I have another video just about the pens, so you can refer to that. I have a very interesting comment, and it's from Fatima Hashim. The comment goes, Audrey, on behalf of everyone, thank you. Thank you. And nobody truly shows the precise and doesn't focus properly on explaining the pen stroke because it's truly hard to master. Right. But after feels like child's play. Thank you so much. But please explain as well in other videos, how do you hold pen and you make those angles? And I understood it from the way you press your pen more in some corners and more pressure in others. But it's good to have your guidance to know properly what to do with pencil, because many of us aren't used to writing with this kind of writing. We just do lines. Thank you so much. That has been so useful. Thank you so much too. If you have noticed that I have this for the Chinese New Year. So this is the calligraphy way of writing the Hanzi Chun, spring. I also have my daughter's writing. I'm sure she's going to be mad, but I'm just going to show. It is very cute. She wrote this when she was in primary 1. So you can see all the strokes, like Fatima has mentioned, that it's lines, very straight lines, and it's quite rigid. In this video, I'm going to show you how do the Chinese children progress from this to that. And rest assured, I will have the practice worksheet for you to download as well. I will be uploading on my Patreon page, so you can join as a free member to download. Let's get started. First, let's learn how to hold the pen properly. A lot of you will be holding the pen in this way, very rigid. If you hold your pen this way, your stroke will also look stiff. The recommended way of holding is to move away from the tip of the pen to about 2 to 3 cm above, using the side of these 2 fingers to hold the pen in the middle. And as a support, between the fingernail and the first joint of your middle finger, use this part as a support. So when you hold these 2 and use this part as support, the pen, and these 2 fingers, just relax. The pen should be resting just below your knuckles, not on the knuckles, because this will not be stable, just a little bit below your knuckles. So when you hold, the pen should be stable, and the tip of the pen should be away from your paper. In this way, when you're writing, your hand will feel relaxed, and your stroke will look beautiful. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to write the 10 basic strokes using different types of pens, and how do we really write beautiful strokes. I'll be using the fountain pen, the brush pen, the normal gel pen, and pencil. As a child, we really start writing the Chinese characters using pencil. So, a very important idea in calligraphy or the Chinese character writing is called 顿笔. You can think of it as press and pause. It's basically just press your pen, not too hard, just a little bit of pressure. And when you start, it will have something like this, like a starting. So fountain pen, press and pause, press further, and lift. So the 3 steps are very important. First is press and pause. Second is press. And the tip, we do a lifting. So these are the 3 steps of writing beautiful strokes. But this does apply to most of the strokes. We do have like press, pause, press, and there's no lifting. We do have that, but just keep in mind this is something in general. Press and pause, press, and then lift. So the 10 strokes I'll be demonstrating today is the 点, 提, 横, 竖, 撇, 捺, 竖钩, 竖提, 横折, 竖折. Let's start with the 点. 顿笔, press and pause, press further, and then lift. 顿笔, press and pause, press further, and then lift. The 点 is not really straight. Our brush pen, 顿笔, press and pause, and then lift. And try our normal gel pen, 顿笔, press and pause, and then lift. So you will see, like if you really want to practice calligraphy, the fountain pen and the brush pen is a better choice. 顿笔, press and pause, lift. Fountain pen, press and pause, and then lift. Press and pause, and then lift. The gel pen, press and pause, and then lift. So that is our 提. Next we have 横, the horizontal stroke. 顿笔, press and pause, press further, and then lift. The fountain pen, press and pause, press, and then lift. Press and pause, and then lift. The gel pen, press and pause, and then lift. The vertical stroke. Again, with 顿笔, press and pause at the top, press further, and then lift. I'm just here to write a little bit exaggerated so you have the idea what is 顿笔. Later, I will show you in real characters how do we do it. It's quite subtle. So this is the fountain pen. We press and pause. 顿笔, go down, and then lift. This is the brush pen. Let's try again. We have the gel pen. Here, we also do the 顿笔 at the top and go down and then release. 顿笔, go down and then release. 顿笔, and then horizontally and then release. The gel pen, 顿笔. Okay, the opposite direction we call 捺. Again, we have to draw the 顿笔, go down diagonally, and then release. Fountain pen, 顿笔, horizontally, and then lift. Pen, 顿笔, go down, and then lift. Gel pen, 顿笔, go horizontally, go diagonally, and then lift. Very well. I'll try again. Something like this. Here again, at the top, we have the 顿笔, go down, and then release. So there is a hook at the bottom. 顿笔, go down, and then create a hook, and you have to lift at the hook. Brush pen, go down, and then lift. Gel pen, 顿笔, go down, and then lift. Similarly, at the top we 顿笔 and then create the hook on the opposite direction. 顿笔, go down, and then the hook. The brush pen, 顿笔, go down, the hook. 顿笔, go down, create a hook. 横折, like we 顿笔, come here because we have corners, we have a 顿笔 at the corner, go down, and there's no lifting. 顿笔, horizontally, stop at the corner, press at the corner, and then go down. Corner. Yeah. So you will notice the corner. Yeah. We also have the 顿笔 at the beginning. This time the corner is here. Create the corner. And there's no lifting. Create the corner. And the 横 brush pen. 顿笔 go down, create the corner. And horizontal stroke. Pen. 顿笔 I really should change a pen. 顿笔 go down. And the horizontal stroke. The word 永 like 永远的永 like forever. So you really use a lot of strokes. We have the 点. Remember how we write the 点? And the 横折钩. You see like how the 顿笔 and the corners, the lifting part. This is how your Chinese character will look different from a primary school child. 点 横折 the lifting 顿笔 the corner 撇 顿笔 lifting. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope this video has somehow helped you to learn like how to write the Chinese characters more beautifully. And I hope like drawing Chinese characters will become another new hobby for you. Happy drawing or happy writing. See you next time. Bye.